showing you our 2017 Forest River Berkshire XL 40-foot model, model 40BH. It's the bunkhouse. Has the Cummins ISL engine in it. As you can see, the outside extremely clean. Haven't found any major imperfections, just anything you'll find super minor on this coach. Move around. Got it parked next to another motorhome right here, so can't quite get all of this side, but again, no major blemishes, extremely clean coach, both inside and out. We'll move to the inside with another video here shortly. Oh, actually, I am noticing one thing. Looks like the awning topper is a little bit weathered. I believe it's called Tough Top awnings up in Oregon. You can get those a couple $100, and they're pretty simple to replace.